oil consumption, lack of power, or your Cummins N14 engine just reached 1,000,000 miles are signs it's possibly time for a rebuild. Avoid any further impacts to your truck and bottom line. Get your N14 running with an INFRAME rebuild kit
from Highway and Heavy Parts.
We believe in only using new, high-quality parts in our Cummins N14 rebuild kits. Each part follows OE specifications and tolerances. This N14 rebuild kit is manufactured in an ISO 9001 certified facility and is built with hard-wearing materials for long-lasting durability. This kit for your N14 includes ferrotherm pistons, a hybrid piston design with an aluminum skirt and steel crown. The profiled bore design increases the longevity of the piston pin and crown. Seal up your N14 with a complete upper engine gasket set, protecting your most vital components in your engine.
And don't forget to check out HHP's wide selection of diesel engine parts, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts.
Backed by a 2-year warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified parts technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts, America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier.